다니만도 참아는 그렇죠. 너마다 그게는 전형도 로봇 살아들 말이야. 다른 로봇 살아들 좀 값스. 근데 고름진이 빠져. 너도 되는 거 말하죠. 그렇죠.
그렇죠. 그래. tana tong yin na ngi cha kana thoma cha ga tsro yong na ndi di tana thoma cha ga tong thoma do chi ya la na de ge li po ge sa ta zhen na bi da san zhong de de ge li po sa ta da shi ge li po shi ge yin na de zhe zhong de de ne jiang gon go ya de jian na de thong na li po ge yin na tam shi thoma chi ge yong ne de li po ge yin na ge mong tam chi wo yi ge nam ne zhi de cha ji ne thoma rong su su na ga ma ga de真的，但当结婚，你真必须要这样，那忙白的话，经常有个些，你不跟人家当这话，用的是个当结不经的，但当结才能的，他们让我叔叔跟那，这个你不参加能做的，你不参加的这才能，但不加这不干弄的，这不得弄的，可做你不跟人家当这话，有几个这不是弄，这个你不跟人家他们教的，这即使但让他们这年轻堂堂是留的，年轻堂堂是这样你不当这话有可的。你不跟人家当这样有过的，这就是人等这样呢，你怎么不想的？等咱从用的，这通通是零的，这样你不跟那人家去弄啊，但人家去个通南就给的，第呢，第几生呢？你不估计了，真的个参加的，讲个我也来点，这个他妈人也来用那个，讲这估计个那。但Yangcen真用那其实个这个，但等从头其实这点呢，这个不想用的，这等那嘞。
但是，对，그렇죠. 그때 로봇 살아도 맞추 비까서 사람 많이는 죽으래.这个呢的。
人他妈你跟那出穷这批要的，他妈你跟出穷，然后他妈今天三人家这个他妈现在跟那过了，老现在只要的，这个他妈现在用空间里面现在在那弄着的。
肯定是。
What benefits do you think the body map has?
Body map? In my opinion, this body map is a scan of map, right?
Yeah.
So I think this body map is not similar to the, for examples like Translator's map, right? This map is of our body. So this maps can show everybody's what's your heart look like and what's your dreams look like, and can show everybody's. You can open your heart to everybody to accept it. What do you think about in the future, and what does you think about and past, right? So I think if the students draw the body map, they can show the dream, and this body map is already like wide, right? They can choose this way I should go, or this way I should go. This way is important, or this way is not important. This way is important, I should go, this is important, and important way to go. And this map can choose everybody to understand with yours, can understand what you think about in the future, right? And you can use this body maps to explain what your heart look like, to make them other people read your heart. Yeah. What do you think about that?
I think body map doing this work, they can develop teamwork spirit and also integrated work. So I think body map helps them express themselves very well, and they have more chance to express themselves. And also body map visualize their thought and memories or wishes for future by or through colors and shapes. So I think and also they can share their memories and dreams with other people.
Yeah,
I think that's all.
Oh yeah, I think that's all.